Have a brand new volume breakout algorithm for free on the Intrendias.com and Intrendias terminal, which has beaten the SPY S&P 500 ETF Spider with a performance of 58.3% compared to SPY's at 41% from 2020 to December 7th, 2023, all on Intrendias.com for free. You could use the QR code or go to Intrendias.com, link in the description down below. The volume breakout algorithm considers whether the asset had greater volume than usual on said day, and then is the price breaking through or falling below a key price level, and then finally, whether or not there's possibility of mean reversion. So let's explore the algorithm together right here, right now. Here on Intrendias.com, I am on the Intrendias terminal tab, and this is where I publish my free algorithmic trading to the web. We can see that I've inputted Delta stock from 2020 to 2023, and I've selected the brand new volume breakout algorithm. And here we can see a big difference. If you bought and held Delta, which is the DAL performance line right here, you would only be up 4% from 2021 to December 2023. However, with the brand new volume breakout algorithm with Intrendias, you would be up 67%. So a big difference there. Essentially, we are seeing these key price levels in yellow. These levels are support and resistance lines that the algorithm uses. We can also see that we have access to EMA 50, 128 Bollinger Bands for both exponential moving averages. And we see decent buy signals most recently as of November 3rd after this massive rally in airlines right here. We see it go from 30 touching 40, going up $10 right there. We can also see the backtest results right here with a max performance of 20,000. So you would have been up 100% there on a assumed initial investment of 10K there. So great performance of the volume breakout algorithm on Delta stock. We can also toggle back to the original MIA algorithm, and we can compare these two so that we can also have some confluence and check out whether the MIA algorithm says to buy and whether or not the VBA says to buy. And we see both algorithms outperform the stock. The VBA was around 60%, and then we see MIA at 86%. So definitely some validity in the buy-sell signals for these two algorithms. Next, I'm going to input American Airlines here, and we see the Intrendia's volume breakout algorithm up 8% compared to negative 8% if you bought and held. So great returns here. We see some validity in the buy and sell signals for American Airlines, and we see favorable backtesting results. I can also keep and download a PNG of the time series plot that we have here. So you can also keep that for your records or what have you. Next up, we have KMB, Kimberly-Clark stock. So think of your Huggies, your cleaning supplies. So could be a pretty safe bet in this economic environment. We have the Intrendia's volume breakout performing 12% compared to the stock itself down 8% 2021 to 2023. And we see again some validity in these buy and sell signals. I can toggle between the EMAs, the 128, 150, whether or not I want to show them on the screen or not, just so that it's not too cluttered. And again, favorable backtesting results compared to 11,000 and 9,000. After KMB, we have ConAgra Brands. Food, beverages stocks have been getting hammered in this environment, so this algorithm could be here to save the day. We have a great buy signal on November 9th, right before this sharp rally to the upside. We had Campbell Soup earnings, which was favorable, lifting these food stocks to the upside. So hopefully we have a light at the end of the tunnel for these food stocks, which have been getting pretty hammered. Favorable back testing results as well down below. Now we have Dynex Capital. Dynex Capital DX does mortgage loans, financial services, down pretty bad, 32%. However, the volume breakout algorithm backtest results is up 16%. So pretty good return there, even for a falling stock. the algorithm was able to capture some gains here, some favorable buy signals November 2nd, May 30th, and October 25th. So good stuff here. And we see the backtest results keep climbing higher, even with the stock plummeting in 2023 here. After Dynex, we have PPL. We're going to get into the utility stocks. The algorithm outperformed at 22% returns compared to negative 5% if you bought and held PPL during 2021, 2023. And again, buy and sell signals, great return here. We see the backtest continue to increase even when the stock began decreasing in 2023 here. I'm going to do American Electric Power. I did a video on American Electric. Pretty favorable results for AEP as well, up 15% in the backtest, down a negative 1% for the bought and held strategy. So again, kind of like PPL, good returns here, favorable buy signals and sell signals. We also have EIX, which is Edison International Utility in California. Great return here, up 60% for the volume breakout algorithm, and it's up 11% if you just bought and held. So definitely getting ahead of the curve here if you use the buy and sell signals here. And then we see favorable backtest as well. We're going to go into Walmart stock here, WMT, and we're going to see some favorable returns for this as well, up 36% based on the volume breakout compared to the bought and held Walmart performance of 4%. And again, you could see the price levels in yellow and buy sell signals. The backtest has stopped buying shares of Walmart stock here ever since the beginning of May. So it'd be interesting to see if this could be a leading indicator of the overall economic environment, since Walmart serves a great deal of U.S. customers. So very interesting to continue to track Walmart stock. KO, Coca-Cola, another beverage stock. So kind of like Conagra Brands, the algorithm has done pretty well on beverage and food stocks along with utilities. KO is up 25% based on the volume breakout. We can compare it to 11%, the bought and held. So good returns here and good returns on the back test. And then finally, for what we have been waiting for, SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, we can see that even for 2021 to 2023, we have an edge of 1%, 25% compared to 24%. And the returns are even better when I go back all the way to 2020. We're going to see 58% returns compared to 41% bought and held. And so partially this was with the help of the sell signal right before COVID. So I was able to detect a sell signal right before. So this was a fantastic sell signal for VBA. We are seeing a lot of price key levels, and it does get kind of clustered up here. In a future version, I'd love to add a sensitivity input so that perhaps on the output you don't see so much yellow lines. So definitely still some work to be done on the algorithm. Fantastic back test here. We see Intrendia is at 15 compared to the bought and held 14. So good stuff all around there. Obviously, not financial advice, and historic performance doesn't mean future performance. So just to keep that in mind, but happy to share this with you guys. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed what I have covered in this video today, and make sure to check out the Intrendia's terminal for yourself. You could search stocks, cryptos, forex, whatever Yahoo has, we have at Intrendia's. So make sure to like and comment the video, subscribe if you found this interesting and helpful. Check out the website, check it out, share it with your friends, and I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys in the next one.